Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, we will look at how NRIs can open a UPI account. So people living outside the country would love to have a UPI account. So this is something which is started in India. So you can also now get a UPI account. You can come to this portal, NPCI website. There you can get more details. So it has expanded its UPI's reach to include non-resident Indians with NRI and NRO accounts. So users with this international mobile numbers can now make UPI payments. So people who have taken a SIM in India and they have validity, they can use that in other countries. So they can use to receive messages. So they can use those things numbers to get UPI. So how to link your international mobile number to UPI? So you can link your international mobile number with your bank account number. So you can use your international number also. They are telling that you can link your international mobile number to UPI. So you can download a UPI powered application that supports the international mobile number and complete the onboarding process. So here you can see the list of countries and members. Okay, so if you see here, these are the countries: Australia, Canada, France, Hong Kong, United States of America, United Arab Emirates. So if you have a mobile number in these countries, you can use that in UPI app to use UPI. So these are the UPI powered application that supports linkage of international mobile number. So Beam. So these are the apps that you can use: Beam, PhonePe, AU Small Finance, Beam AU, SIB Mirror Plus, Beam IndusPay, ICICI Bank iMobile, Federal Bank FedMobile. So these apps only support international mobile number linkage that you need to understand. UPI app, and these are the banks that allow. So you can go ahead and try that out. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.